Hey guys, I'm Sarah, and today me and some of my helpers are going to be making 2-minute microwave pizzas. I'm using 2-ingredient dough, which is Greek yogurt. I've actually just made a batch of it, and self-raising flour. Now I haven't tried it, I have heard you can also substitute the Greek yogurt with either milk or even just water and self-raising flour. So give that a go. Leave me a comment down below if you do that. But I just really love the flavour of the Greek yogurt in it. And also it does get a bit of calcium and a bit of protein into this as well. So kids go be making theirs. Call me in when it's my turn is what I've been told. Apart from Aston. He's dedicated. 1/3 of a cup of self-raising flour. I'm just showing the people in YouTube land. And then we want about half that amount of Greek yogurt. So I just kind of guess with the scoop. I scoop about half that amount. Get a fork, give that a good mixy. There with your hand. That should just make a nice little dough ball. These are absolutely brilliant for, if you've got a hungry teenager after school who wants a quick snack, a kid's lunch. These really are targeted at kids. The reason being that 2 minutes in a microwave, you're not going to be able to sort of chop up some nice mushroom or any sort of uncooked meat or anything that really needs cooking, onions, unless you pre-cook it. Fork, and because we want this to cook thoroughly, just do lots of little holes in it with the fork. Now this is going in the microwave for 1 minute. The pizza base itself, it's not going to be crispy because you're cooking it in a microwave. So, this is not my pizza of choice if I'm making a pizza for a family dinner, but just as a quick filling snack or a kid's lunch or something, these are absolutely brilliant. That has just come out of the microwave. Now, what I do is, I turn this over, so it's better cooked on the top than it is on the bottom. Just flip that over, and I'm going to put my toppings on. I'm just going to put some pasta sauce on this. Now, if you don't have any pre-made pasta sauce, I'll just show you quickly in the corner there how I made this. Basically, it's just, you buy a can of dolmio or whatever, it's just tomatoes with a bit of stuff added to it. So, it's pretty easy just to whip up your own. And then you can just keep this in the fridge and just use it for an actual pasta dish or for doing this again or whatever.
Whoa, look at mine!
Dad. Just going to get a round bit of ham each. Do you want to chop up your ham and put it on, Aston?
Chop it up. I'm so hungry.
Nice to meet you, hungry I'm Mum.
Cold. The hungry and then you so hungry. Hello, hungry and then.
So, I'm just going to stick that in the microwave for 1 more minute. Okay, we'll see what we got.
Can mine
Look
microwave
at
after Aston's?
Wait till all this chaos is done and then I'll do my taste test.
Can we start bottling when we're ready?
Yep.
Yes, I'm ready. I'm done.
Everyone is now sat at the table with their pizzas, hence why it's quieter. How cute is that? Look at that. Smells yummy. That is just, it's so cute. And it's yummy, it's nice, simple flavours, of course, ham, tomato, cheese. As I say, if you've got like a teenager that is ravenously hungry mid-afternoon, or just a simple little lunch for the kids. I mean, it's better than 2-minute noodles, isn't it? Give it a go. It's such a cool little thing, and the kids love sitting down and having their own little pizza each. Put some salady stuff on the side, you know, make it healthy. Hit like, leave a comment, hit subscribe, and make a 2-minute microwave pizza, because they're cool.
And